Why people buy, understanding consumer behavior. Today, we're going to dive deep into a topic that affects every single business, every marketing strategy, and even our own decisions every day: consumer behavior. Why do people buy? What makes them choose one product over another? And how can you use this knowledge to grow your business, improve your marketing, and connect with your audience on a deeper level? Now, let's start with something simple. Every single one of us in this room has bought something recently. Maybe it was a cup of coffee, a new phone, a pair of shoes, or even a course to improve a skill. But have you ever stopped and asked yourself, why did I buy this? What made me pull out my wallet and say, I need this? Understanding this is the key to unlocking the power of consumer behavior. The emotional and logical triggers. People buy for two main reasons: emotions and logic. Most of the time, we like to believe that we make rational, well thought out decisions, but the truth is, emotions drive most of our purchases. Think about it: why do people buy luxury cars, expensive watches, or branded clothes? It's not just about the product itself, it's about the feeling it gives them. Confidence, status, success. On the other hand, logic comes in to justify the decision. Let's say someone wants to buy an expensive phone. Emotionally, they desire it because it makes them feel trendy, productive, or more connected. But logically, they'll tell themselves, this phone has a better camera, faster processing, and a long battery life, so it's worth it. The 6 main reasons people buy. 1. To solve a problem. The most common reason people buy something is to solve a problem. If someone has back pain, they buy a memory foam pillow. If they feel tired, they get an energy drink. If their car smells bad, they buy an air freshener. Businesses that understand their customers' pain points and provide solutions will always win. 2. To feel good or avoid pain. Humans are wired to seek pleasure and avoid pain. Think about the fitness industry. People buy gym memberships, diet plans, and supplements because they either want to feel good about their body or avoid the pain of being unhealthy. The same applies to skincare, entertainment, and even relationships. 3. To gain status or recognition. This is where branding plays a huge role. People buy expensive brands because of the status they bring. Wearing a Rolex or driving a BMW signals success. Even online, having the latest iPhone or designer shoes can make someone feel like they belong to a higher social class. To make life easier or more convenient. Convenience is a massive driving force in purchasing decisions. People use food delivery apps, hire cleaning services, and buy smart home devices because they want to save time and effort. The easier your product makes life, the more people will be willing to pay for it. 1. Because of social proof and influence. We live in an age of influencers, reviews, and testimonials. If a celebrity endorses a product or a friend recommends a restaurant, we're more likely to try it. That's why businesses invest heavily in branding, word-of-mouth marketing, and influencer collaborations. 2. Impulse and FOMO. Sales, limited time offers, and flash deals exist because of FOMO. People don't like feeling like they're missing out on a good deal or an exclusive opportunity. That's why strategies like, only 3 left in stock, or, sale ends in 24 hours, work so well. The buying journey. Now that we understand why people buy, let's break down the buying journey. People don't just wake up and suddenly decide to buy something. There's a process they go through, whether it takes minutes, days, or even months. 1. Awareness stage. The customer realizes they have a need or problem. For example, they notice their back hurts when they wake up. 2. Consideration stage. They start looking for solutions. Maybe they Google best pillows for neck pain or ask friends for recommendations. 3. Decision stage. They choose a product based on reviews, price, and trust. 4. Post-purchase behavior. They evaluate their purchase. Was it worth it? Would they recommend it? If you understand this journey, you can craft marketing messages that guide your customer smoothly from one stage to the next. The role of marketing in consumer behavior. Marketing is simply the art of influencing consumer behavior. Every ad, every post, every email is designed to trigger emotions, create desire, and lead people to make a decision. Successful brands understand their customers so well that their products feel like an obvious choice. The key to effective marketing is empathy. Put yourself in your customer's shoes. What do they struggle with? What do they dream about? Speak to their emotions, show them the benefits, and make it easy for them to say yes. How new sellers can apply this knowledge. If you're just starting out in business, understanding why people buy will give you a major advantage. Here are a few actionable steps you can take. 1. Identify the problem your product solves. Think about your customers' pain points. What problem does your product fix? Make this the focus of your marketing. 2. Use emotions in your messaging. People buy based on feelings. Use storytelling, relatable experiences, and emotional triggers in your ads and content. 3. Make the buying process easy. If customers struggle to order from you, they'll go elsewhere. Simplify your checkout process, offer multiple payment methods, and provide clear product information. 4. Build trust through reviews and testimonials. If you're new, social proof is critical. Ask your first few customers to leave honest reviews, showcase before and after results, or get influencers to vouch for your product. 5. Create urgency and exclusivity. People respond to deadlines. Use limited time offers, scarcity tactics, and bonuses for early buyers. Understanding consumer behavior is like having a secret weapon in business. When you know why people buy, you can create irresistible offers, craft compelling marketing campaigns, and build a brand that people trust and love. So, as you leave today, ask yourself, how can you apply this to your business? How can you connect better with your customers, solve their problems, and make them feel like your product is exactly what they need? If you master this, success is inevitable. Thank you, and I hope this session has opened your eyes to the power of consumer behavior.